Hi guys, it's me Shining Stars, and I'm doing another video. As you can see, I'm already at the horse party thingy, horse only party. I already bought her some elf bracelets and sent it to her. Um, Sorry I couldn't record that. It was because the thing had to load, and I can't do two videos at a time. Like if it's loading, I can't make a video at the same time. So I had to do that all by myself, and all I basically did was do boring stuff like gifting, logging into an account, and playing games. I had to play more games. Um, yeah, I had to buy like 1,000. I had to get like 1,000 gems just to buy this little horse right here. I had to buy this horse just to get into this party. Yeah, and I only had like 8 minutes, so that was very stressful. Mud. Okay, so the cloud party is almost starting, so I better go earn some more gems. So, off to the way. Come on, I didn't even do anything. Off to the arcade. Yay, awesome, cool. Okay, whatever. Let's play this game, even though I'm bad at it, I don't care. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make it any further. Oh gosh. Ah! Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm bad at this game. I haven't even reached the bottom yet. Stop trying to get me, phantoms. I just want gems. That's all I want. Okay. Um, let's play a different game. Put something down here. Fruit Slinger, Gem Breaker, Double Up. Why not play this game? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, stop. Okay, and yay! Dang it. Okay, so yay! This is a fun game because you get a lot of gems. I didn't even see any of them because that thing was in the way. So bad at this game. I keep seeing that bird everywhere. Oh, here you go. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm tired. I mean, not in the morning, I mean in the nighttime. Okay. Let's play a different game. Club party. I'm thinking those rainbow fountain things cost like 500 and something gems. It'd be really a pain in the butt if I didn't have enough. I think I'm gonna move my person. There you go. That looks better. How about I play best dress? The saddest. Okay. Ugh, I don't know how to do some sad legs. This looks sad. Oh no. Oh well. That's sad. There you go. Yay, I got voted at least. I actually think that girl was cool too. Should have picked her. Happiest. Okay. Happy. I have a spiked collar. That makes me happy. Alarms make me happy. Spikes still make me happy. Now I have to do this, and maybe a star with white. What should I do? White, with okay. I pick her. Oh man, I didn't get voted for. Now I'm gonna get 25 gems. Not gonna get 100 or anything. Just 25. Dang, this video's getting long. It's already 9 out of 15. Guess I'll do a few more rounds. I'm doing my outfit. Best for exploring. Oh well. I'll pick her. At least I got voted. Okay. Okay, so bye guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.